Hello everyone, myself Ritika Nagar. I study in class 12 Commerce and today I am here to present a video presentation on relations and functions as my maths project. So let's start. Topics covered in the presentation are what is relation representation, types of relation, domain and range of a relation, function, various types of functions, special functions in algebra, domain and range of a function, and how to convert a relation into function. What is relation? It is a subset of the Cartesian product or simply a bunch of points. In other words, the relation between the two sets is defined as the collection of the ordered pair, in which the ordered pair is formed by the object from each set. For example, under bracket -2, 1, 4, 3 and 7, -3, usually written in set notation form with curly brackets. Relation representation. There are other ways too to write the relation apart from set notation, such as through tables, plotting it on xy axis, or through mapping diagram. Types of relation. There are different types of relations: empty relations, universal relations, identity relations, inverse relations, reflexive relations, symmetric relations, and transitive relations. So let's talk about all these relations in a brief. Empty relation. When there is no element of set X related to or mapped to any element of X, then the relation R in A is an empty relation and also called the void relation, that is R is equals to 5. For example, if there are 100 mangoes in the fruit basket, there is no possibility of finding a relation R of getting any apple in the basket. So R is void as it has 100 mangoes and no apples. Universal relation. R is a relation in a set. Let's say A is a universal relation because in this full relation, every element of A is related to every element of A. That is, R is equals to A into A. It's a full relation as every element of set A is in set B. Identity relation. If every element of set A is related to itself only, it is called identity relation. For example, when we throw dice, the total number of possible outcomes is 36. From these, if we consider the relation 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, it is an identity relation. Inverse relation. If R is a relation from set A to set B, that is R belongs to A into B, the relation R minus 1 is equals to under curly brackets B comma A and A comma B belongs to R bracket closed. For example, if you throw two dice, if R is equals to under curly brackets 1 2, 2 3 bracket closed, and R minus 1 is equals to under curly brackets 2 1 3 2 bracket closed. Here the domain is the range R minus 1 and vice versa. Reflexive relation. A relation is a reflexive relation if every element of set A maps to itself, that is, for every A belongs to A, that is A comma A belongs to R. Symmetric relation. A symmetric relation is the relation R on a set A. If AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R for all A and B belongs to A. Transitive relation. If A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R for all A, B, C belongs to A. And this relation in set A is transitive. Equivalence relation. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then the relation is called an equivalence relation. Domain and range of a function. If R is a relation from A to B, then the set of all first coordinates of elements of R is called the domain of R, while the set of all second coordinates of elements of R is called the range of R. Thus, if we consider the relation R is equals to under bracket 1 2 1 4 3 2 3 4 bracket close, then domain of R is equals to 1 3 and range of R is equals to 2 4. Function. A function is a relation which describes that there should be only one output for each input, or we can say that a special kind of relation, a set of ordered pairs which follows a rule that is every x value should be associated with only one y value is called a function. Various types of functions. In terms of relations, we can define the types of functions as one-to-one function or injective function. A function f p from q is said to be one-to-one if for each element of p there is a distinct element of q. Many-to-one function. A function which maps two or more elements of p to the same element of set q. Onto function or surjective function. A function for which every element of set q there is pre-image in set P. One-one correspondence or bijective function. The function f matches with each element of P with a discrete element of Q, and every element of Q has a pre-image in P. Special functions in algebra. Some of the important functions are as follows: constant function, identity function, linear function, absolute value function, inverse function. Domain and range of a function. Domain. It is a collection of the first values in the ordered pair or set of all input x values. It is range. It is a collection of the second values in the ordered pair set of all output values. Example, in the relation under bracket minus 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 6 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 3 bracket close, the domain is under bracket minus 2 comma 4 comma 6 and range is under bracket minus 5 comma 3 comma 5 bracket close. Note, don't consider duplicates while writing the domain and range, and also write it in increasing order. How to convert a relation into a function. A special kind of relation, a set of ordered pairs which follows a rule that is every x value should be associated with only one y value, then the relation is called a function. For example, is a is equals to under bracket 1 comma 5 1 comma 5 3 comma minus 8 3 comma minus 8 3 comma minus 8 bracket closed, a function. Solution. If there are any duplicates or repetitions in the x value, the relation is not a function. We should note that all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions, because functions are the subsets of relations. Thank you.